In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add Mailchimp subscribers as new Salesforce leads. For that, we have to select Salesforce as trigger. Then we have to select new record event as trigger event. Now to connect Salesforce, we will use the existing connection. We will cover how to establish new connection in a separate video series. For now, click on Link an Account to establish the connection. Now, select Lead as object. In steps, we have to add Mailchimp subscriber. For that, select Mailchimp. Choose Add Subscriber Member as action. Here we have to connect Mailchimp. For this, we will use the existing connection. And click on Link an Account. Select Audience. Then add email address using Salesforce app data. And we are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check our output, go to Salesforce, add one new lead, now go back to Journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Then go to Mailchimp. We can see a new subscriber has been added as per the Salesforce lead details. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add Salesforce leads as new Mailchimp subscribers. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.